Today, there are masses, prayers, and tributes to Pope Francis worldwide. The faithful are mourning the Holy Father in very different ways. EWTN News contributor Julia Convery has more.
In Thailand, Bangkok's Archbishop led a requiem mass for Pope Francis. In attendance, the Pope's second cousin, Sister Anna Rosa Sivoti, who served as the Pope's translator during his visit to Thailand in 2019.
I never expected such a news so suddenly. So I ask God to take him to heaven, and from heaven he will bless us like when he was on the earth.
In war-torn Myanmar, hundreds gathered at the country's biggest church in Yangon for a memorial mass. The Holy Father was the only sitting pope ever to visit the country. Taipei saw the faithful paying tribute at a memorial service for Pope Francis, while Catholics mourn the Holy Father in Bethlehem.
He was our Pope, not just our Pope. He was our brother, our friend, our dear friend for Bethlehem.
In Indonesia, hundreds waited outside the Apostolic Nunciature, praying while waiting to write condolence messages. But the tributes also extended to symbols. In his native country of Argentina, the iconic obelisk in Buenos Aires was lit up with images of the Pope. In Brazil also, the famous Christ the Redeemer statue donned the Holy Father's face. In contrast, the City of Light was shrouded in darkness. The Eiffel Tower's lights were switched off as a symbol of mourning for the pontiff. Meanwhile, thousands of pilgrims in Italy, there for the Jubilee of Teenagers, pray in St. Peter's Basilica, while Italians fly their flags half-mast. Julia Convery, EWTN News Nightly.